Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sen College Shillong ka penyutuk lebih arajar pun Rio. Kelapan hak perdai ke College Week arajar pun Rio. Bagi kejeng rakhi ke Diamond Jubilee leni kejeng yak lenti ke belah Rio Post Nam Jangka College. Haga ni ngi asa khilang do mindrang ba ka jelau konrat ki sangma belong kumukong san haga jingalang ke belong hamaran student jayau. Rengkat ke jinan lang ki blasha khot ngobha the principal ke Dr. Jiling Do, vice principal ber president Jangka governing body kino hikai bar ke Samla puli Jangka College. Hagan ngi laplap e ba ru ke solve ni Jangka College komisi benta ke jingra ki ke Diamond Jubilee. Ka principal haga jingkran Jangka klai thu ke jingya lenti Jangka College naduk blas dang house name ke khandai span reposan tang dikisa pulai ngut ki Samla puli ke pre university haka arts. Kalai thu ke college kelanang ki ushu bermenta ki dan palat lai hajar ngut ki Samla puli nuduk ke kedan higher secondary undergraduate postgraduate badaki professional programs. Ka college kelayo ru ke jing itu bakadan mentah hak kedan A+ belai dekan naik hak jing bisa benya badangshan.
For the blessings that He has showered upon each and every one of us, and especially the blessings that He has showered upon Synod College, especially in the last 60 years, where this college has grown from strength to strength, has touched thousands of lives, has shaped the values as set by our principal, Christian values, which have been instilled in thousands of the youths who have passed out from this college and become responsible citizens, contributing immensely to our state and to our society. But this is how Synod College today has contributed to shaping our society, to shaping our state, and having impact far beyond just simple academics. I'm truly honored to be here today amongst all of you. 10 years back, I remember coming here and being part of the Golden Jubilee celebration also. As you all know, my and my family's relationship, partnership, friendship with Synod College has been not just for years, but for decades and for generations. And therefore, Sen College holds a very special place in my heart because of the kind of relationship we have had. And therefore, this particular moment is a very, very emotional and a very, very happy moment for me to be part of this Golden Jubilee celebration. And I thank Madam Principal and all the organizing committee members for having invited me here to be part of this program. Friends, we have always believed that the greatest investment that we can make as a society and as a government is investment in human capital. Education is the way forward in which we can change our society, transform our people, and take our state forward. Yes, there are challenges. And yes, it is a long process. But I'm happy to inform you that as a state, as a society, and as a government, we are in the right direction of taking the education sector to the next level.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys,
Where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ।
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ।
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है। Let's go guys, party time.